I'm Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and click that subscribe button right down there, the red button, and go over and hit the notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Today, I have an unboxing for you and it's from Influenster, yay. So this is my third box from them. I received my first one in October, then I received another one after that, and this is my third box. So I will give you a chance, you can watch those. I go over how all the steps I did to receive my Vox boxes, what I do, how often I spend time on there. So I'll link that to the end of this video, and then I will put one here, that way you can check that out. Once you finish watching this one, you can go check that one out. And it gives you all the details of everything. And these products are totally free, so yay, why not? Sign up. I actually will link the link to Influencer in the description box, so you can click that link and then you can start getting free products. You don't have to be a YouTuber to receive these. You could just be a person that wants to give your opinion, and then you can receive those as well. What I want to do is get right into this box. I'm so happy that I received this one. This box is the Dazzle box. What I did was, once I received it, I went to Influencer, let them know I received it, and now I'm doing my unboxing. So let's go ahead and open it. Yay, I'm excited, you guys. I love receiving product. Like, who doesn't like receiving free stuff? It's free. Use it and give your opinion. Telling you guys what my honest opinion about things, because I mean, if it doesn't work for me, it may not work for you, or if something works, that works good and I might need, we help each other out, right? So this says the Dazzle Voxbox right there. First product, yay! This is from Clairol. So let's go ahead and open it. Get this out, this paper. This is it. This is the Clairol Professional I Thrive. This is the Clarity Rescue Split and Repair with Patinol. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is for your split ends. The container is black and it's cute. Look at the flower. This one says use instructions, massage on damp hair and comb through. Do not rinse. So use this as you're about to do your hair. And it's for your split ends. So yay. And let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. So of course. Next is, this is, Clairol Professional Dazzling Fuchsia Plum Hair Color. Fuchsia Plum. You guys. It says Fuchsia Plum. Me and Fuchsia Plum. Hold on, is this, let me see if this is, hold on. Jazz, okay, this is semi-permanent. All right, semi-permanent to temporary hair color. And this, okay, that, because permanent. Yeah, so this won't be as bad. Hey, who knows? We'll decide on this one, right? I use Clairol's the Jet Black, or if I want some brown tones, so I do use that. So this product I know is actually good. The color though, we'll see about that. I mean, I dared to go red, right? This one, yes, is Fuchsia Plum. Look at that color. Look, it's like the container color. That's the Fuchsia Plum right there. Okay, we'll talk about that one. And then what? I got it again, you guys. The Go Balm Ultimate Radiant New Cream. And I got this in the last Vox box I received, and they sent it again. This stuff, I got one at work on my desk, and I love it. It like has coconut oil, cocoa butter, and it has African shea butter, and I use all of those products by themselves, but to have this again, and like that bottle was like half gone though. So yay, I got it again. Yay, I'm loving it. This is my second one. I mean, I'm gonna use, like most time you get two or something, you don't use it. My other one, you guys, it's almost gone. So I'm so glad they can send me more of these. And I'm going to be excited, like, send them all. This is the Gold Bond. And I think I had this in one of my other videos. And this is the new Gold Bond Ultimate Radiant Renewal. And it has the coconut oil, it has the cocoa butter, and then it has the shea butter. And it exfoliates and nourishes your visible dry skin. So it really nourished though, you guys. I love the smell of it. And I have one, so. But I'm going to show you really quick. I did put some in my hand. And how it like moisturize your hands. I mean, I'm going to actually take it to work anyway. That's the one that's going to be, like, I like to use it after, you know, you work and you get that dry skin. Once this winter months, you see that, yep, you see how that gives that moisture in your hands. It's cool. You see that? So, yay. This is why I love it. I mean, anything that has coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter. Those combinations are amazing. They give you coupons as well. Oh, okay, so they did give you one. This is the coloring I use. These, the semi-permanent, I use these too. So I can go get me a free product. This is awesome. Choose any one shade. So you can choose any shade. And this is a limited one coupon per customer. And this goes up, and you can use this coupon until March the 31st. Yeah. So we got time to go use this. I'm going to use this. Good, only in Sally Beauty stores. Yes. This will be going in my purse. So that means you get these 3 free products. And then you get one more free product you could choose for either the L'Oreal Professional Thrive. I'm thinking about getting the semi-permanent in my color that I usually get, so I don't have to pay for it, right? Oh, I'm loving it. So these products, so the Jazz semi-permanent hair color retails for $6.49. The Clairol Thrive Curtain Rescue Split and Repair retails for $9.99. Yeah, this stuff is good. I might go back and get another kind of that, or I might get my Jazz It Up. We'll see. And then the Gold Bond. The Gold Bond, this one is 5.5, and this one retail for $5.99. So yes, oh, you see, Influencer be hooking you up. They have the best for free, and then you get an extra one. Actually, if you go back and get another split and repair, that's like $30 for free. So Influencer, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for sending me these products. So yay for the 3 products. Coupon, they give you a free item, and then wonderfully for Gold Bond. Little quick update is to make sure you're following me on my social media. I do a product of the week every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that to see what I'm loving. And you respond and let me know what products you loving as well. Click that subscribe button because I have exciting things coming up. And I just wanted to thank you guys for supporting me. You know, you guys are wonderful. Absolutely love the fact that I have people that love beauty and fashion, and it's like I do. So you guys are amazing. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.